Changing the email link to your Zelle account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings or profile section within the app. This is typically found in the menu or by tapping on your profile icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for an option that says email or email preferences. Tap on this option to view the current email link to your account. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter the new email address you wish to link to your Zelle account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your Zelle account will be updated with the new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for assistance.